here to show you a fried catfish recipe. Okay, now we have a catfish dredged in that cornmeal flour mixture. We're using a small deep fryer here. We've got our oil hot, about 350 degrees, and we're going to start putting in those fillets. And you don't want to overfill your deep fryer because it'll bring the temperature down. So we'll put a few pieces in there. And we'll let this go ahead and fry. Probably about 10 to 12 minutes, based on the thickness of the pieces and stuff. We want to get us a golden brown color on those fillets. And one other thing is that if you don't overfill your basket here, once they're pretty close to done, they'll start to float to the top. And so you don't really have to guess too much. But on an average, for the thickness of these fillets, you're going to be looking at about 10 to 12 minutes. So we're going to, since they've been in there for a couple of minutes, we're going to move them around to make sure they don't stick. But you don't want to mess with them too much, because we want that coating to stick to the fish. So we really want that to start frying and getting crisp and hard first before you start messing around with them, because they'll be soft and you'll lose a lot of that coating. Anyway, let's continue to fry our fish here, and we'll see you at the next step.